Let me quickly show you how to solve this kind of problem. The ages of Tosa and Esa differ by 6, and the product of the ages is 187. Write their ages in the form SY, where S is greater than Y. Okay, we start right away. Solution. You can see Tosa's age is not given. Esa's age is not also given. All we are told is that their ages differ by 6, and the product of the ages amounted to 187. Okay, so let's say let Tosa's age be X and let Esa's age be Y. Okay, now we are told that their ages differ in mathematics. In what problem particularly? If you hear difference, it means subtraction. So their ages differ by 6. That is x minus y equals 6. And the product of their ages amounted to 187. That is, product means multiplication. Xy is equal to 187. So this have resulted to equations 1 and 2. All right, so we make progress. We need to generate the third equation so as to facilitate the solving of this problem. How do we go about it? We can say from equation 1, x minus y is equal to 6. Now, we are going to make x the subject of the formula by saying x minus y plus y is equal to 6 plus y. What we just did is that since y here is carrying a negative sign, we introduce a positive sign to neutralize it on this left hand side. So in doing so, we have that x is equal to 6 plus y. We call this equation 3. Having done that, the next thing we should do is to substitute this equation 3 we have generated from equation 1. We substitute it into equation 2. So you substitute equation 3 into equation 2. And equation 2 says xy is equal to 187. So it means anywhere you see x, you replace it with 6 plus y. So 6 plus y here equals 187. At this point, we distribute this y inside this bracket by saying 6 multiply y multiply 6, we have 6y. Y multiply plus 6y, we have y square, which is equal to 187. If we try to rearrange it, we will have that y square plus 6y minus 187. This 187 is on the right hand side. We moved it to the left hand side. In doing that, the positive sign it originally carried changed to minus. So, and the whole of the right hand side now is equal to 0. Let's bring it up here. Y square plus 6y minus 187 equals 0. All right. This has resulted to a quadratic equation because the highest power of the unknown here is 2. We are going to look for factors of minus 187. Obviously, factors of minus 187 are minus 11 and 17. So y square minus 11y plus 17y minus 187 is equal to 0. So we have that y into y minus 11 bracket closes plus y, okay, no, plus 17 into y minus 11 is equal to 0. So that if we bring them together, y plus 17 and y minus 11 is equal to 0. At this point, you can see y plus 17 is equal to 0. or y minus 11 is equal to 0. So let's simplify this. Y is equal to 0 minus 17. Y is equal to minus 17. Or y minus 11 equals 0. Y is equal to 0 plus 11. Y is equal to 11 plus 11. You can see here we have y equals minus 17, and here we have y equals plus 11. But the age of a human being cannot be negative. So their ages are 17 and 11. So this now becomes x, this now becomes y. So putting it in xy form is equal to 17 and then 11, because we are told that x is greater than y. If this video has helped you, please, I want you to like, comment, and then share. See you in my next video.